Hello everyone, special thank you to Manuel, or Manny, I'm not sure what name he goes by, in Fresno, California. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I'm the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you see Mo Better, look at Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses on today's episode of Hey Y'all, Look at This. Manuel got the Oakley 8149, the Pitchman R Carbon, one of my favorite frames. In fact, I used to wear it myself. It's in color 03, the polished clear. In my exuberance to cut his lenses, and they can be tricky, I tore his cardboard just a little bit. I do apologize. Everything else is safe and sound. The Oakley hard shell case, it even comes with a little plastic sleeve that goes over the left temple when they ship to me, and of course I'll put it on there when I ship to you. It protects the temples from rubbing together during shipping. He's going to get the Oakley cleaning cloth / carrying bag. He's going to get the Zeiss cleaning cloth, my premium microfiber cleaning cloth, and of course the lens packets from Zeiss that have the Duravision Blue Protect anti-glare. These are single vision aspheric. Simply means it has a flatter curvature to fit today's flatter curvature frames. I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye. For the left eye, it shows that they're polycarbonate with the 100% UV protection. In fact, it even says that they're sunglass level UV protection in a clear lens. Oh, and of course the demo lenses that come out of the frame. But this is the star of the show, the main attraction, the Oakley 8149 Pitchman R Carbon. Super strong material, the carbon fiber. It has built-in wrap. Now the carbon fiber cannot be adjusted downward to curve over the ears like my frames do, my Christian eyewear frames. Put mine back on so I can see what I'm doing, but it has a built-in wrap. It can even be heated up and brought in there, or loosened by having an optician pop out the lens, apply some heat, and bring that outward or inward to fit better. There's no screws to ever come loose. There is a ball joint that I had an orthopedic surgeon say that's the same thing they're putting in for knees and hips now. Again, titanium, so it'll never tarnish and corrode. Classic styling with the keyhole bridge versus my saddle bridge that looks like it goes over a horse. This is called a keyhole because it looks like it would fit an old skeleton key. Excuse me. So that is it. And if you have any questions, go to the contact me page of the website. You can call Jigsaw directly at 919-491-2411 if you want real-time questions answered. You can leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Manuel in Fresno, California, thank you for your repeat purchase. He just purchased a pair not too long ago, and he came back for a second pair. So I do thank you. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.